Lindsay's vlog. So here we go,
We are here today for the big vlog.
So here's the kids in the back. So
Ready to go.
today we're going to the
Tell them where we're going.
Devil's Ice Box.
yeah, going
To the
there.
Devil's Ice Box for a nature trail.
Nature trail. So
Trip.
we'll see you there, guys. Okay, we'll see you there.
What's Devil's Ice Box?
Beautiful day to go there.
Yeah.
Look at that. On the way to the cave. To the cave.
To the cave, yeah. I wish we could go motorcycles. Someday maybe when the kids get older, we all have motorcycles. Take a little motorcycle.
Here, guys.
This is it.
Ain't nobody here?
Rock
No.
Bridge Park. It's
Yeah.
called Rock Bridge Park because there's a natural rock bridge over
So
there.
there are a lot of people.
2 rock bridges.
There are a lot of people, guys.
Here's your people.
Yeah.
So we can park there and get in.
Guys, we're here. Everybody's going. We're going. Oh, no, I'm not gonna climb again in there.
We're all climbing it up.
Nope. That's too high.
We all go together.
Great.
We're
You're crazy.
the strength of the pack is the wolf,
Yep.
and the strength of the wolf
Is the
is the pack.
Where's the Look at this, all trees. There we go.
There they go.
It's pretty. See that? Ito yung ano, guys,
Come on,
kalasangan dito sa amin. So maganda maglakad kasi malamig. Malamig siya, hindi siya mainit. So here's the kiddos climbing. They're climbing over there. Oh my.
Wait, Clay.
Ito na yung cave, guys. Yung cave. Yan. Going, ano na tayo, papasok sa loob. So, it's cold over here. Lamig, guys, ang lamig. Lamig dito, sobra. Ayan, punta tayo sa cave. Ayan. Madilim na siya. Nasaan na yun? So, no, yun. Nandun na sila. Lamig! Lamig dito, guys. Sobra. Yan, may tubig siya, oh. Yan. Nandito ko sa loob ng cave. O, diba? Yan. Kaylee, I'm not gonna go in there. Labas na tayo kasi ang dilim. Ang lamig dito, guys, sobrang lamig. So ayan, palabas na ako. Ang daming tao pumupunta dito, guys, kasi malamig yung loob. So maraming taong nagpipiknik. Tapos marami ding taong naliligo. Ayan si Kili, bumalik. So, ang ginaw. So cold. Yeah. So they're going up. They're going up there. Pataas kami ni Kilin lang ang aakyat sa hagdan kasi Yung boys ay nandun na. Doon sila dumaan sa may cave. So, ito na yung pataas, guys. Sisimula na kaming maglakad ni Kili. Ayan si Kili. So, makikita nyo na doon sa, ano guys, sa pinakatuktok. Ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys. Kasi, ano, ito yung parang park nila dito. Right, Kili? Right?
I don't know what the heck is that.
It's park.
Oh yeah.
Kasi, makikita nyo dun sa pinakababa, guys. Ayan. So, kitang-kita nyo yung mga puno na super ganda kasi green na green pa siya. Ayan. So, maraming nagwo-walking dito, guys, kasi hindi siya mainit. Malamig siya. So, let's go, Kili. Hinihingal na ako.
How do you have so much energy?
Go. Ang baba ng cave, guys. Super taas. So, makikita mo din. Nalula ako, oh. Tingnan nyo. Yan. Sa baba yun, pinakababa. So, nandito na kami sa tuktok.
Let's go search for the other cave.
Let's go. Yung saan to papunta? Dito, makikita yung other side sa cave,
I think
guys.
it's down there. I don't know.
Other side ng cave, makikita dito. So, papunta tayo. Parang ano lang tayo, guys. Paakyat, pababa. Paakyat, pababa. Kasi nasa tuktok ng...
Down there. I think it's down there.
Nasa tuktok ng bundok ito eh. Sa tuktok ng bundok. So, pababa kami. At titingnan natin kung nasaan na yung mga kasama natin, no? So, parang nandito yata sila. Baba na kami ni Kili. So, ito yung other side ng ano. Sa kabilang side ng cave. So, I don't know where is your dad.
This is where the devil's ice box is.
I know, where's your dad? We're looking for the daddy.
I see them. Yo!
Yo.
Yo!
Oh, there is still in there. See. Play! There, there. They're in there. They're still in there. So, ito, yan yung ano guys, the cave is over there. So, yan yung tuktok down there. Galing kami doon guys, sa tuktok. So, maybe is that the other cave down there? Kili?
No, it's very like thin.
Oh.
I remember going down the stairs and it being like this thin.
I don't know where it is. Right in there. So, ito yung ano. Ito yung... That's the cave. That's the cave. Yeah, that's the cave that you're looking for. So, I don't know. So, it's really nice in here. Cool. And nice and pretty. So, tingnan nyo guys. So, ang ganda. Say, aakyat kami ni Cole. Kami naman ni Cole ang magkasama, no? Go! Aakyat kami sa pinakatuktok talaga nitong ano, trail na to. Kasi napakataas nito guys eh. Pwede naman kasi dumaan dito guys. Kasi easy way. Na hindi ka mahirapan. Pero, kung gusto mo mag-workout, umakyat ka sa hagdan. So, ito yung ano. Ito yung gustong anuhin ng mga tao. Kasi kung maputik, hindi ka pwede sa dyan sa ano. Okay, go, go. Go!
So there's another cave?
That's what Skilly said. I have another cave, but
I know where that is.
I don't know because they go. Emily, go with them. So yan, papunta yan doon na yung ano na yan, yung lakaran na yan, papunta yan doon.
Feel how soft this is.
So ito, papunta yan doon. Come on na, let's go.
Feel it.
I know. So akyat baba itong hagdan guys. Akyat baba. Paikot yata ito, cool, no? Are you going around? Oh. So paikot ito. Paikot ito guys. So, ayan. Workout ito guys kasi yung ano ba, yung hagdan pataas pababa. So, maganda sa ano sa legs mo, strong. Kaya yan. Hindi, at saka hindi siya mainit guys kasi puro ano siya guys, puro puno. So, nandito kami sa parang ano guys, parang may bubong yung ulo namin, may bubong. So, super ganda. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung ano, ito yung nasa ano sa baba. Ayan, yan yung baba. Papunta doon sa cave. Yan, yan yung baba doon. So, kami nandito na kami sa tuktok ni Cole. Ayan. So, maglalakad pa kami papunta doon sa ano, ewan ko kung saan kami pupunta nito. Saan kami pupulutin, basta maglalakad kami tapos babalik kami. Ano guys, yun yung cave. Hindi, grabe ang taas. Pababa na kami, pababa. Tingnan namin kung anong mayroon doon. I know, it's getting cold. So, ang lamig. So, pababa kami dito kasi may isang cave dito. Nahanap namin ni Cole. So, another cave dito. Yun, nakakatakot lang kasi. Ano guys? Ang dilim. Ang dilim. So, ayan. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Yan. Oh gosh, it's nice and cool over here. So here we go. Cole, you're not going there. No? Are you? Just going inside. So dark. Pupunta ka dun sa loob. Ang dilim. So ayan o. Oh. Kita niyo dyan. Ayun, nandun si Cole. Yan. Yan. Ting us guys. Tinatawag na nila kami. Kasi ang layo na namin narating namin. Grabe ang ano doon. Ang lamig sa loob ng ano. Ng cave. Kami sa loob guys. Ito yung maliit na cave. So nandito kami sa loob now. Ang daming tao. So dito kami sa loob. Ayan yung taas. Butas guys. Butas. Guys pa. Balik na kami. Kasi pagod na yung isa oh. Basa pa kasi may tubig. So, ayan, uuwi na.
I'll bring Nia and Rosie and I'll have them both in my hand.